Good morning children. Children, today we are going to learn how to find the area of the shaded region. Okay. To find the area of the shaded region of a combined geometrical shape, subtract the area of the smaller geometrical shape from the area of the larger geometrical shape. Okay, to find the area of the shaded region, subtract the area of the smaller shape from the area of the larger shape. Okay, let me explain an example. Children, here in this question, the given shape is a combination of a circle and a triangle. Okay, this shape is a combination of a circle and a triangle. To find the area of the shaded region means this color, orange color. Okay. To find the area of the shaded region, subtract the area of this triangle from area of the circle. Okay. Here we are finding area of this section, that is shaded region. To find the area of this shaded region, you should subtract the area of this triangle from the area of this circle. Okay. Children, here the radius of the circle is given. This is the radius, 5 centimeter. So first find the area of the circle. Area of circle is equal to pi r square, which is equal to 3.14 into 5 squared, that is 3.14 into 5, which is equal to 78.5 centimeter square. 78.5 centimeter square. That is area of the circle. 78 centimeter square. Okay. Area of the circle is 78.5 centimeter square. Next, we have to find the area of the triangle. Area of a triangle, area of triangle is equal to half BH. You already learned about this, children. So 1/2 into 4 into 7. 4 7s are 28. 28 divided by 2 is equal to 14 centimeter square. This is the area of the triangle. Okay. 14 centimeter square, and area of circle is 78.5 centimeter square. Now find the area of the shaded region. Subtract 14 from 78.5. Okay. 78.5 is the larger geometrical shape, that is circle. 78.5 minus 14, okay, which is equal to 64.5 centimeter square. This is the area of this orange section. Orange section, that is the shaded region. Okay. Let me explain one more example, children. This figure is a combination of a parallelogram and a rectangle. Okay, parallelogram and a rectangle. Here the larger geometrical shape is a parallelogram and the smaller one is a rectangle. To find the area of the shaded region, you should subtract the area of the smaller geometrical shape from the area of the larger geometrical shape. That is, area of the parallelogram minus area of the rectangle. Okay. So first we have to find area of parallelogram. Area of parallelogram is equal to BH, base into height. This is base and this is height. So BH, which is equal to 9 into 7, 63 centimeter square. Okay. Next, area of rectangle. Area of rectangle is equal to, area of rectangle is equal to length into width. Length into width means length is 6 and width is 4. So 6 into 4, 24 centimeter square. Okay, 24 centimeter square. So here area of parallelogram is 63 centimeter square, 9 into 7, and area of rectangle is 6 into 4, 24 centimeter square. Now we have to find the shaded area. Area of the shaded region is equal to 63 minus 24. Okay, which is equal to 39 centimeter square. So children, here we are finding area of this pink region. Pink. To find the area of the shaded region of a combined geometrical shape, subtract the area of the smaller geometrical shape from the area of the larger geometrical shape. Okay. Here the larger one is a parallelogram and smaller one is a rectangle. So subtract the area of rectangle from the area of parallelogram. Okay. Children, listen this video carefully and do the given work without any mistakes. Hope you all understood this. Thank you, children.